Hello, everybody. My name is Jay Baruch. I'm an emergency physician, and I'm also the director of the Medical Humanities and Bioethics Scholarly Concentration at Alfred Medical School at Brown. And I am coming to you from Providence, Rhode Island. And this is an exercise, a very simple exercise that I oftentimes open up writing workshops with or reflective workshops. And it's not mine. It's something that I've taken somewhere along the way. So I don't want to be cited for this. Someone else unknown should be cited for this. So this is the prompt. The prompt is writing itself reveals something about character. And when we're first beginning of an exercise, we're all sitting together. Sometimes people go around the table and they introduce themselves. And when I when I run a workshop, I ask people to introduce themselves, but also give us one fact, something about them that reveals their character, reveals something about their personality, their motives, their anxieties, but something that's them. As it can't be like a line on a CV. Uh, and it's got to be vivid. Like people have to be able to like see it or feel it, taste it. So as an example, I start off and say, I'm Jay Baruch and I tripped walking upstairs. And and people sort of chuckle and I go, okay, so maybe this workshop won't necessarily be boring. This is kind of funny. And then I go around and I go, what does that tell you about me? And then some people who are very literal will say, oh, do you have neuropathy in your feet? You can't feel your feet. Um, Other people will say, oh, you're clumsy, or are you carrying something? Are you distracted? Are you trying to multitask? Um, do you have a medical problem? But anyway, it's sort of like they see me and it shows like, okay, maybe I'm a little pussy, which I kind of am. Um, I'm also willing to laugh at myself, which I sort of do. And then we go around the room. And what happens is like people will oftentimes say, I like this, but it's not active. Like I want it to be something active. And so, for example, at one workshop, one woman said, when I get bored, I clean. And so that says something about they can't say, we go around, okay, what is this? What do you think this means? And some people will chime in. And oftentimes we go around the room, 10, 12, 15, and maybe three or four will say something that is like that, that's revealing. Then as the workshop evolves, I'll have people who like initially said something that was rather like nounish, like this is who I am. Like I am I like to play the bassoon. I go, okay, that's pretty good. Like, can you make that more active? Like tell me something about bassoon playing that is you. Like, were you a good bassoon player? Are you just some pick up the bassoon? Like, why the bassoon? So, even if you just ask something about something about the bassoon. And later on in the workshop, people just spontaneously like, I have one now. And so it really, what I love about it is that it gets people involved. It lowers the bar, it lowers the defenses. People feel like, okay, it gets people talking to one another. And you realize that writing is about these small, concrete details. And even if you want to write long, you really have to learn how to write short. That's really what it is. Like writing is building, and it gets people paying attention to the sentence and how much can be revealed in the sentence, and also how much space can be created. Because even just the visual of me tripping upstairs just generates all kinds of questions, um, including why did that guy, the storyteller, even decide on that little detail? So it raises all kinds of questions, and it really sort of sets the tone and sets the spirit for the workshop to come.